Hello, welcome to tutorial. Today we will be seeing how to set up a sharding environment in our local Linux operating system. So we have three servers. So let me get into this topic how we will be configuring the sharding environment. Basically sharding will require a replica set which is running as a we're running with the Mongo DB instances. So what I'll do is I have a server and I'll be running I have a Mongo D installed on top of it and it's running with a replica set. Let me start my Mongo D on top of this thing. Right? So let me log into this thing. Let me initiate a replica set. So I have one of my replica set ready. You can see the status of that. So this is my replica set running with one single node and the replica set name is SADU. Similarly, I am going to a second mission. So let me start the Mongo D service also here. Right. Let me log on to the Mongo shell and initiate a replica set. So here the replica set name is Dasu. Right. So I have two shards which is running of replica set. This is one shard 1 and this is shard 2. So now until this is added to the shard, we call this as a replica set 1 and replica set 2. So now we need to have a config DB as well as a Mongo S server, right? So for config DB, I have a property which has to be defined in this thing. So you remember this is the config server property. We need to add this property. All the remaining properties will be same. So here these two replica sets are running with 27017 port and I am making the config server to run with a different port. So that is 27018. So all my log path, DB path, PID file, everything will be same. So there won't be any change in this thing. So here I am not running anything with a replica set. I'm just running the configuration, the basic configuration in this thing. So there is no replica set. I'm not adding any key. I'm not adding any security over here. It's just a plain config server. So let me start the config server also here. So I just started this thing. So I see my process is running. Yes, the process is running. I can see on which port it is running. So my process is running on 27018. So now I need to start a Mongo S. So let me start this Mongo S. So I have for Mongo S I have my configuration file over here. So my configuration, let me open my configuration file, mongod.conf.11. This is my configuration file which I defined. So now here I should not define any config server, and so basically I created my own path for this DB. Here DB is not required, so I commented it. I here require log path and the process ID path, and journaling is also not required, and HTTP interface is also not required. So I commented all those things, and I'm not running anything here replica set. So I'm just coming back, right? Now I need to start the Mongo S. mongod.conf.11 hyphen config db, and what is the host name? 192.168.130. So my config db is running on this server, right? So I'm just giving the host and what port number this is having. That's it. So I have started my Mongo S server. So let me log into the Mongo shell. So okay, I need to have a port. So my Mongo S is running on 27019. For confirmation, let's just check on what port we are running our Mongo S. Right, we have 27019. So I'm connecting to Mongo hyphen port 27019. I'm connected to Mongo S. Right, now I need to add the shard. So one very simple and the best thing, right? So sh dot add shard of Sadu is my first replica set, and h.mys.com, and the port number is right already used, and here Yes, right. So let's see ss.status. Right. So this is the sharding. So this is, we are completed with the sharding. So this is sharding. What is the sharding version and what are the number of shards? This is my shard. This is one replica set and this is another replica set, and all the database will be listed over here. Right, guys. So I'm running this instance completely with MongoDB 2.6.9 version. Right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time.